Hello everyone, hello. It's your one and only lady Joe. If you subscribe, put more videos. You will be the first to be notified. You have subscribed before. Thank you. God bless you. My people. This one ended a singer. If you ask me, now who I go ask? This topic we I want to talk about today, heavy format. Now be me go talk, cause this thing is heavy format really, my people. One girl born pikin, he by himself use his hand take me young pikin, my people. Young pikin no. This will not be pikin where they give am say help me young pikin. Small girl just be me young pikin, my people. When I see the video, I shocked her eyes. My people, that is, I don't understand what they happen to some of our guests, so all those young guests of nowadays, I don't just understand really, like seriously. Pikin we don't reach 1 year, one good year, my people. This girl you by yourself use your hand, me you pikin. Your own pikin where God give you. So many people they look for the no see, my people. You can't see, you can't use your hand, take me your own pikin. Like seriously, my people. When I see the video, cry, not let me cry. That's when I see and whether they ask her question. Because I not just cut the video, because the thing it just tired me really when I see when they ask the girl. They never they feel like say maybe anything happen. Just they say, he say yes, it be me young pikin because he don't tire. He want go back to school. Now small girl will just carry belly. He want go back to school. Say no figure because of this pikin. I know if you know if you do anything. Now they tell us okay, this pikin they cause any problem to you. He say when you get the belly, his sister say me you can stay with her. You can go stay with his sister. Then they start to take care of her, take care of the pikin. So what's gonna be your problem? Say because she know they get that time till they go out again, and she want to go back to school. She not fit. Now this girl one day, my sister come up for house. Now this girl just carry pikin. You up me you pikin. Carry and say you can think I want to be the pikin. Now understand now what it be me. So as she come the reason now. Now your mind can tell us, okay, maybe you just carry the pikin, put her for inside water. Now you just put this, you just put the pikin for inside water. You say when they put her, the pikin not quick me. You can they look am, then later the pikin can't be finish. I said when this guy they talk, you just talk like saying a normal gist, as in not the app like normal gist now. I said this guy they okay, people. I'm sure say this girl they okay. She only talk to like saying a normal something. Yeah, think me you picking, yeah. Like seriously. I want to advise our young girls of now because they get a small girl, 20 years. I want to advise our young girls of nowadays. If you know, say you're never ready, you're never really ready for to carry a baby, I beg. I use God with the able to beg now. More than they use protection. More than they use protection. You must not do both to bone. Eh? Okay, the boy now, and they come for you, really. And they come for you. You the girl will give the girl the belly. You know, say you they go school, small girl. As the boy say, Mona come jogodo. Tell her say, either he use something, he use rubber or nothing. Because suppose maybe you use rubber, all those things will not happen. Like when you come back, you can't just by yourself. Just make your whole picking by yourself. You just take the law into your hands. It's not done now, my dear. You don't do away. When I just see the thing, I just shocked her eyes really. Eh? Okay, you this boy will give the girl the belly. Your own day your body not be small. Because the girl say when he tell you, you deny her. Say you don't want. Eh? Okay, you don't carry that frustration now, you go give this girl. Small girl now, when not the reason where now, you go do what you're not supposed to do to that poor innocent girl. Eh? I don't just understand our guys, so really, I don't just understand really. You never want something, you go the do one. Just see what you cause for this girl body now. Just see him. I feel that is the when I just see this. And people when I just see when they get the talk at me, they talk like gist, like say they gist with the police where they ask a question. She not able to feel anything, no. She not able bother. She used the talk and like saying a normal something, like seriously. My people. This our young girls of nowadays. Me, I don't understand though. Our boys are beg. More not the deny all those pregnancy again. You give girl belly, not the deny them again. No, now they cause this problem. Oh. Eh? When I use protection, una not go use. Una go they look for bone to bone one I want to do. Suppose you use protection, now this thing for not happen to this girl. Just see what you cost now. This girl you by yourself. Me that picking. You know not the one where they pay me my people. Eh? So many people they look for, they don't see. What about if this girl? She even the thought say she not care. As they put her for, he say you know saying will go prison. It may you did the better pass. That's what she talk of. You don't be like something they walk the girl. Like not be a right senses. Now she did the talk. So many people they look for, they don't see. So people could just do only one remove belly for only one, so they don't see again, bro. They don't see again. Only once. Talk less of say. God could just give you just by yourself, say, you know, because you don't want them. Like seriously? If that you for they alive today, you this girl. You for they alive today, my people, what will I get to tell this girl now? So now I get to tell her. We be saying you just by yourself, use your hand. Use your own hand, though. Take me your own picking. My people. This girl, this thing what she do, so she do aware. She do aware, my people. When I follow me reason this thing, oh. I thought I said this thing not pay me, I did lie. Pay me because so many people they cry. They want people pay money. They want even pay money, but they take get them. They don't see. You know how many people don't spend money. You know how many people don't spend money, say that they look for picking where they don't see. Now you see, you say no, you don't want them. You know how many people, you know how many women they cry now. Say, oh God, I wish you give me one. I wish you give me one for appeal. Eh? So they say, even though say the picky, even though say the you know able stay, at least make it express and say she will get belly. Because of say you see, you by yourself you be ram. See because you don't want them. Eh? And you don't even reach 1 year, and that one can't even surprise me pass. What's gonna be your problem? This school you go still go on. If our mothers tell us when they born us that time, they carry belly, they go school. They carry belly, they go school. They'll carry belly, they'll carry and go school. We be say you go come, they say you the shame. The mad way we should take even born now. What should take carry, my dear? So I don't see the need we come make you say you don't want them. You're not supposed to even do that kind of thing when you do. Really? You're not supposed to do one. As far as say you don't already the man don't should take born now. Like seriously, you for just leave them, really. Because that pikin come to stay. So what you can just do now? Eh? God not go forgive you, really. You this small girl, God not go forgive you, eh? Because I don't know what he enter you. Where you take, where you just get that Z, that mind, say you want to do this kind of thing. Really. It just pain me, really. Eh? It really like, it pain me. Because many people, they cry. They cry for picking. They don't see. Some go, your bomb, I finish. You can't bomb, it will be problem. Now how many people don't where their home don't break because they don't see pikin born. Talk like say you just see. You say no, you don't want them. Because of that one, you just by yourself. Take law into your hands. Yeah? May that pikin so rest in peace really, because what do you do, eh? I just pity you really. I pity you because the time when you go take knee down, you go hard. You go hard before you see him. As you come there, say kiri and now you can't like. Now you like. As you did there, now you can't like now. What do you can't like for there now? Say you did there. What do you like there now? I pity you really. I really I pity you. Because you don't know what you do to yourself now. Small girl. You're supposed to enjoy yourself. You just go put yourself in one place. So you dey happy. As you did there, you don't care. Go for be bad thing. And people, if you get young girl, get sister, we see the small girl, I beg advise her, mom, should not take this kind of thing, no. I beg, me you advise her. Because many people, they do this thing. Where? I remember those days when they go school. Where would they go school that time? You can't see that Indian college area. That time for Benin. People will go for Benin, they know what they talk about. You can't see the way girls that time, they'll just bump pikin finish to run for there. For all those moats where they did that time. That's why they throw with that time. Eh? Now those one now will come they cry now, say they not see born again. Now they will come they cry now. Say they not see. Whereas now what they don't do years back. The karma will come visit them. They'll come they say, I not see you now I won't show. Whereas now what you use your hand cause that year. But you don't forget. You don't forget. But you not gonna know say that thing will come work for your body later. Not be all children that they throw away like that too. You might not know. Not be all. There are some way you go throw away, you go regret your life. You go regret your life. You know, ever forgive yourself. If you even see one do you go they beg them with two and they cry. You go they beg them. So my people, I beg, maybe they behave well. Maybe they fear God. Maybe they get that pity mind, as in you go reason up to yourself. Say, if not me, they this speaking shoe, call. What should they do? Your mind don't they tell you something? Your mind don't they tell you say, well, this thing when I want to do so na good thing. Na good thing or na bad thing. When I want the reason now, when your mind will just tell you, say, do this thing, you just really go do one. Eh? I don't just understand though. My people, I fear I will not fear that girl really. I fear I will not fear that man. What would the reason for we do to him? I beg. What would the reason? Really, My people, this thing they vex me really, because many people they look for, they don't see. They don't see. Hell, well, that thing you me ban ya go. Well, that thing you me ba. Ya te bi agbe, ye bi agogo. You say, oh God, suppose you give me knife for two paparamo. I for two paparamo. Oh God will just give you, you will say no. My people. I pity for some women, I really pity them, really. Because, really, why they do this video, we say, so people, we be say, nah, they don't receive. Now, what did they do that year? Then they apple to them now. Some of them. Yeah, now what did they do that year? And some men, too. Now, what did they do that year? And then they cause them. Okay, you get one woman that time, too. Well, be say, she don't look for years, you know, see. She look for years. She no see. No, you said that your husband even get that problem. You don't even tell this woman. This woman, you follow this man deal. If you say me they go hospital, go say I dey okay, may you go. Now the woman can't say dey for years. Oh, one day now, this woman, be like say, man, can't tell her say, man, but see you go. You can't come out. You can't follow a friend. Go see one man. Go see one guy. Another guy come the toast side. Cause I married woman. I ain't bill. Now she come jogodo the guy. That's his friend, no. As you jogodo the guy, I saw Bele just stay enter. Now she come to say, doesn't mean say that your husband get this problem. I be waiting. You don't understand. She can't the reason at this woman. Now she can't tell the friend, say, see what that deal. Friend can say, you do this thing with this guy. Say, I do am. But let her enter. And this pikin, they remove am. Lie. Because she don't come of age. Then she can tell the man, say, see you. I don't lie to you, eh? See what thing I do. Now the man begin the beggar. Say, I ain't get the problem for years, but no man want to tell the woman. Like, seriously? There are some men who they just know. So that they get that problem, but they can never tell the woman. But if now a woman, want finish her. Hey, I don't say, don't be say maybe I just join women, but I just talk this one. They'll say, I want marry second wife, I want to do this one. But now you just get the problem, not tell this woman. I don't say maybe woman go the shit too. Maybe go the shit on their husband. No, man, not get me wrong. I just talk this on men too. They are under their body. Maybe now what they don't fair do to women that year. Now they happen to them now. And many women too. Yeah. Because you wait to go see deny pikin. Deny your own pikin when you born. You can't expect God to come give you later. After you don't deny innocent pikin. We're based on 12 now. Now you go together to bring that pikin come this world. If you don't need them, why you not use the protection? Why you not use protection if you don't need them? When we say the result don't come now, begin the wrong, now begin the pick race. I don't understand, really. I don't understand. When I begin the wrong, we be saying now, wait till you use your hand, take us. I beg men, I'm not to deny picking again. I'm not to deny, because if you don't need them, you don't go jogo with the woman. Because I'm men like when I go the woman go to tell say, I don't want to go to beg her. Hey, I want to do. You go to disturb them. The woman go and say, use protection. Go say, no, now bone to bone, I better pass. After the result don't come for the bone to bone now, you go begin to misbehave. You go begin to wrong. For your responsibility. Like seriously. So men, I beg, more at the parkway, more at the behavior, and some men, really. If you don't say you don't need that, I beg, use protection, really. Because enough is enough. We don't want to hear all those things again. It's not good for a year now. Say, get go carry belly for 9 months, finish, born the pikin, finish you by itself. Because of frustration, when men they put for their body, you go use the hand, take the men you picking. So men I beg. Now beg me, they beg you now. If you know say you know this something, don't do. When you don't do and finish, you come begin the run for your own responsibility. If another person don't help take care of the pikin finish, now come to look for him later. Come they come and say, is my son or is my daughter? Because you not gonna see again. So I beg men, more than they behave well really. More than they put all those guys for frustration again. That make you some women don't begin they beat their pikin anyhow because of the frustration where the man give them. You go begin they do the pikin anyhow. I beg, may we change for our bad character. Really, you know the help our guests again. Because now the frustration now they cause. I say that girl, say because he want to go to school. Now make it me you picking by himself. Now they go to school for inside curry now. So my people, I beg, maybe they behave well, really. I just got a beg now. Maybe they behave well. Maybe we change for our bad way. Not the help at all, really. So my people, thank you everybody. So what do you think about this video? You can just leave your comment for the comment section, really. Thank you everybody. At least you will see help 1 or 2 percent. Thank you. Are you where the reason? They think now say I don't frustrate. I know I don't born pikin. I don't be single mother. I know can get now you still get life, my dear. You still get. So no use your hand though. So go do what this girl do. Take care of your pikin. If you are not born, if you take care, if you respect yourself, man, better guy will come your way. You can't even know say that wrong guy that you meet before. Now impatient where you not wait for your right husband. Now you take for that one. Will be say you know ready. Now you take for that one chance. But if you really like, you really respect yourself as a single mother, my dear, better guy will come your way. Better responsible guy. Will you not even expect? You go come. You go to surprise, like seriously. So now me even jam this kind of guy. Now they suffer for the one when I born for. You understand? Better one go just come. Responsible one, Would you not even expect it will just come? So my dear, respect yourself. Man go still respect you. Not because if be single mother, you begin the bomb for different men, they go no. Respect yourself. Better guy go come meet you. Thank you, everybody. Take care until I come your way next time. I remember your one and only Lady J. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe so that you could hear many Ogbonge news when they come out for you. Thank you, everybody. And if you are watching my video, please always put thumbs up for me and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. So anything you think about this video, just leave your comment for the comment section. Bye, everybody. Bye.
I'm 22 years old and I'm a student. Partially, the reason why I was arrested by the police, not really arrested too, because I really thought myself in.
Okay.
So it was because I killed my daughter at Oluwani Femi, Victoria. She was 1 year old, 9 months and 4 days. And I killed her on the 11th of May, 2020. The reason for this drastic decision are much. One, let's say financial help. Two, maybe I'm just tired of her. Three, maybe because of shame. Four, my school. Five, all my friends will say stuff like that.
Your school, in what sense? Is she responsible for you?
Yes. Killing of my baby and losing my admission has a connection. One, if I wasn't pregnant, I would be in school, probably 300 level. Then two, okay, I got pregnant, and if my course wasn't disaccredited, I would still be in school, and I would still have a baby, and maybe we'll still be alive. The name of my elder sister is Adisa Oluwadamnola Florence. In 2017, when I noticed that I got pregnant, she was the one who helped me say, no, because I wanted to abort the pregnancy that time. So she was like, okay, I should not abort it, blah, 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 she will take care of it, blah, blah, blah. Later on, we delivered. She decided to take care of it, but not to my satisfaction, sure. I don't have any hope that things will get better. Not at all. I don't. And I have this thing that God hates me. And that's why He's making everything difficult for me. So I decided to take action into my hand.
Were you ashamed of having the baby?
Yes, I was 100% ashamed of having the baby. When my course was disaccredited, I was like, oh, I can't go to school, blah, blah, blah. So I said, okay, if I kill her now, I'll be free, I'll go anywhere I like. No one will disturb me, no one will say, hey, you have a daughter outside married, blah, 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 stuff like that. So I decided, okay, what should I do? Because I was thinking of strangling her neck. Then later I was okay, maybe I should press her face with a pillow. Then later on, my sister said she has a dream of water. She just said that I should be careful around water. I should be careful around water. I should not be leaving her in the bedroom, things like that. It was after she had a dream of water. That was why, okay, I heard about the branch of running inside water. So water kills faster. Okay. So that's why I got it. I was dressing up, so she was giving my dress to put on because she know that I'm going out, so I must take her out. I was telling her that you are dying to do. I'm not going anywhere, I'm going to the police station immediately. I kill you. So I opened the bucket of water, this boom bucket of water. So I just put her leg inside first. She was struggling out, so she was able to remove the cover up. So I poured more water, maybe because of there was not much water. So I poured more water there. She was still able to remove the cover up. So I put her head upside down inside and I closed the bucket. So for some minutes I saw her floating up. So I took her, she was still breathing. I took her the second time, I brought her out again, she was still breathing again. The third time I left her for some minutes and I brought her out and she was dead. I don't think I feel any pain while killing her, any emotional stuff. Killing my daughter is my own best option at that moment. Okay, I was like, okay, if I kill my daughter, if I brought them to the police, they'll put me in jail. I think jail is better than me living outside. For me, I think me in jail is better than me staying outside or in my sister's place.
Does your sister have any link to what happened?
No, she doesn't. She loves the baby. I love the baby too. But things happen, Sha. When I was about to kill my daughter, I was the only one at home. It was on a Monday. She went to work. I decided to do it on a Sunday, but she was at home. She was intervening, calling the parents, the pastor, everyone. So I was like, okay, since Monday is here and you are not here, so I'll carry out my plan.
Do you at any point in time do a self-critical analysis and come to the conclusion that you brought all this on yourself?
Kind of, because one, I would say it was kind of rape, not really rape, because I was the one who went to the house. So I wouldn't say it was a rape, but it was by force. The name of the boyfriend that impregnated me was Olami, Yusuf Olami. He studied at University of Lagos, pharmacy.
Is this still a student or you have graduated?
I don't know.
But
Have you not been hearing from him?
Since the day I told him, he was like, okay, we should go for abortion. He prescribed a drug for me. I even wanted to go for abortion, so he prescribed a drug for me. So my sister was like, no, I'm not doing the abortion. I dated him for about more than a year. When I told him I was pregnant, I was like, okay, he gave me a drug. I don't know the name of the drug. It was a pink drug. Saying it has like flushed out the pregnancy, that it was not his own, maybe I went to someone else's house,
did you at any point in time, maybe after giving birth, try to contact him to see his daughter and all those things?
First, my sister said I shouldn't, because when I was pregnant, she had a dream. And her dreams. She had a dream that I saw someone wanted to kill me, and the person that wanted to kill me was the girlfriend or the person that impregnated me. Okay, the point where I regretted my action of killing my baby was when I was working. I was not thinking, if I have not killed this baby, I would be at home laughing, playing, all those things. My picture like a lot would great. I was like, oh, one day I'll be a single mother. I'll take her to different places, but later I was like, this can't happen, I beg. Any judgment is good. I know what I did, man. It's every action deserves a punishment. So I know that it's jail, prison. I've brought it out before. If I kill my daughter, how many years, how many things like that.